How you doing, guys? Welcome back to Berrigans Nursery. My name's Chantel. So today I'm going to talk to you guys about these, which are your iridioides, or also known as your butterfly iris. Now these guys are an evergreen perennial which form clumps of narrow dark green foliage but have an iris-like flower which is purple and white. So these guys are ideal for planting under taller trees, as a border, mass planting, or around water features, ponds, etc. So these guys will grow to about a metre round to 60 centimetres tall. The flowers will get to about your 70 to 80 centimetre tall, and they'll flower from spring to summer. So hope that was informative and hope to see you in the nursery soon. Bye. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date for our next upload.